Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Deutsch Schule. So in our today's video we'll be talking about numbers starting from 11 to 20, and also we'll be learning what are now what is number 100 called, what is 30, 40 and so on. And in my previous video I had forgotten to mention what is 0 in German called, so I'll also mention that in today's video. And if you haven't watched my previous video, you can go and learn number 1 to 10 in German. So let's get started with 11 today. So this is just a repetition of our previous video. So what is Zahl? So Zahl means number. Okay, this is singular, only number, and Zahlen means numbers. Okay, so this is singular and this is plural. Zahl and Zahlen, number and numbers. Now this is number 11. So what is 11 in German called? You'll have to repeat after me. I'll give you folks 10 to 15 seconds of break so that you can repeat after me, and I would request you all to start learning the spellings right now only. So 11 in German is called elf. Elf, okay? So 11 is elf. You can repeat after me now. Elf. Now is number 12. So what is 12? So 12 is called 12. 12. Okay. So again here this Z is taking the sound of S. Okay. So that's the reason it's 12, not starting with Z sound or something else. This has to take the sound of S, that is sir. So it is 12. And again I would request you not to pay attention to this particular O currently. We'll be learning more about this when we just begin with our alphabets and the pronunciation specifically, but currently you just need to remember what is 12 in German called. So 12 is 12. Now comes the next number, that is 13. Okay, so 13 is called 13. So if you see over here the number 13, these two are different. Like for 11 we have elf, for 12 we have 12, but starting from 13 we'll be using this particular format. Okay, where you'll notice one thing, that number 3 is dry and sane is 10. Okay, so this 13 is the combination of 10 plus 3. Okay, so that's the reason we have mentioned here it as dry sane. So when we are pronouncing it together it would become like sane. So number 11, 12, sane. Now we have number 14, 15 and 16 on our board. So let's learn what is 14 in German. So 14 in German is Vierzehn. Fear is 4, sane is again 10, so it's Vierzehn. Now is number 15. Number 15 is Fünfzehn. So this is something that we are using starting from number 13. That is that we would be using this number which is there at the place of 10. Tens. Okay, so here this number would come here in the beginning, and then comes the next number that is there at ones. Okay, this is the ones place, this is the tens place. So this number 4 would be here, and then this number 10 would be here. The same pattern would be followed in all other numbers. So number 15 is 15, number 14 is 14. For Sechzehn you need to pay attention to the spelling. So number 6 is called Sechs. So the spelling is S-E-C-H-S, that is Sechs. But when we are writing it for 16, so we need to combine these two, Sein plus Sechs, but we'll have to remove S after the H. Okay, so the S would be removed and it would become Sechzehn. So this is 14, 15 and Sechzehn. Next 3 numbers on our board. So this is number 17, 18 and 19. 17 in German is 17. 17. Here you'll notice one thing, that it's not 17. Okay, so here we have removed E and N from the sieben, and we are only using sieb plus sen. Sieb, sen is number 17. Now the next number, number 18. Number 18 is acht sen. Acht sen. Number 8 is acht, and again it's 10, so it's sen. Acht sen. Sieb sen. Acht sen. Next number is number 19. So 19 in German is 19. 19. 17, 18, 19. Now we have these two numbers on our screen. This is number 0 and number 20. So 0 in German is null. Null, and this is number 20. So number 20 is Swansisch. 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 Null und Swansisch. Und is and. Okay, so this is null, and number 20 is Swansisch. So this is just an example. Here I have written one of the questions that we generally used whenever we are interacting with somebody for the first time, or maybe this is the commonly used sentence. Okay, so this is the sentence. I have used this one so that we can use the number here. So here the sentence means, the literal translation is something different, but it is used whenever we are asking somebody their phone number. Okay, this is the mobile number. So wie ist Ihre Handynummer? Wie ist Ihre Handynummer? So this is the answer. Meine Handynummer ist 480 32902. This is just for the practice. You can practice your own phone number just by writing it down in this way, and then you can start practicing how to speak numbers in German. So this is just an example. 480 32902. So this was the question, and this is the answer. Wie ist Ihre Handynummer? Meine Handynummer ist 480 32902. So this was all about the numbers from 11 to 20 and number 0, and this was the example sentence where we had used this particular number, like phone number, to practice our German number skills. And again, like, we'd be talking more about the other numbers, that is like numbers starting with number 21 to 100 and so on, in our coming videos. So I am winding up this video here. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and do give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.